Guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm just gonna do my makeup for no damn reason, for no goddamn reason, just because I don't have nowhere to be, I don't have nothing to do, so I was bored and I decided to just play around with makeup. So if you want to see how I accomplish this makeup look, just keep watching, and at the end of the video don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos of me doing my makeup. We'll take this pink right here. This is the pink right there. This palette is missing a mirror. I'm gonna take one of my Anastasia palettes so I could have a mirror. So I'm gonna apply this color. All of my palettes because I want that pink to be more dry. And you guys already know that I'm gonna go back to, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Electric palette. I just think this palette is so good and people are not, I mean, it's very old. So maybe that's the reason why not many people are talking about it, because it's not a brand new palette at all. So I'm gonna add this pink. The name is Savage, so it brightens up the eyeshadow, the pink. And I'm loving this pink. Love it. It looks like she did like a sort of curl crease. I'm gonna cut the crease using one of my concealer instead. I'm gonna cut the crease. Ooh, you see how I actually asked people on Instagram if I should recreate this look, and I think I would say 19 people say yes. 19, I think. So I'm adding setting spray to the brush, so it gives me that pop color. So I'm gonna go in and use this purple right here, this purple right there, and lately it has been raining every fucking day and I can't stand it, because then when I do my eyeshadow, when I do my makeup looks, I can't really take nice ass picture because the sun is not out. Savage, the color Savage on this palette right here to brighten the pink. I want it more bright. Add more setting spray to my brush because I want that purple to be as pigmented as they can be. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Primer today, I have here the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer Matte in matte. So I'm gonna prime my face. Something different today for foundation. I have the Too Faced Born This Way because I keep using the same products when I do my makeup, so I'm trying to switch things around and actually take this as an opportunity to really use my product. So for concealer, I also have the Born This Way multi-use exfoliating concealer. Like I say, I'm trying to use different products because I'm not taking and I using my stuff. I don't use my stuff on the regular, so the inspired, so might as well take advantage that now I'm doing my makeup for fun, and this things actually smell kind of funky. Has like a alcohol smell, like dañado smell. So I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna use this elf sponge that I bought to blend my concealer. And bronze my skin a little bit. This is by L'Oreal. I had shown this in another video that I did. I look like I'm going somewhere with all this makeup. What we do for fun, us women. This is fun for me. Doing my makeup and taking pictures is a very entertaining thing to do. I haven't blended my I barely have baking powder. The one that I like a lot is the KKW Beauty baking powder, and I'm running out of it. I like everything about it, how it smells, how it lifts my under eye. I feel like it lifts my under eye very like smooth. Blush, I have here the Kylie, what's the name of this? Kylie pressed blush powder, pressed blush powder, and the name of X-Rays. This camera will not focus for the life of me, and I keep trying. That's the bad part. So X-Ray, this is beautiful. Fenty Beauty Iceland Tint Bronzer. You guys have seen this in my other videos because I look so white. It's incredible. Add some color to the skin. I don't even know if this video is going good or if it's going bad. What is happening? How the fuck I cut my lips? My lips has been so dry lately. It's like incredible. So I'm gonna take Savage from the Electro palette by Urban Decay, and so that's the lip liner. I have here this Huda Beauty lipstick in Wifey. Maybe my color. This smells so good. And like always, I let this dry, and then when it dries off, then I go and back with the lip liner. Then I have here this COUTURE lip gloss and Uncensored. So now I'm gonna add, I have this Dior Backstage Glow Face palette, and I'm gonna take this white color here and add it to my inner corner right here. Setting spray to my blush right here. This one right there, I will use that as a highlighter. This is my final look.